What are your
Huh?
circumstances?
If people do illegal
What
things,
breed are
they should not
you?
be
Yeah, so coming here illegally is an illegal thing because you violate federal law. So therefore, they should
What kind of breed are you?
not be here. Exactly, I agree.
No, no
What?
such.
On the existence of Homo sapiens.
Interesting.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, I like femboys too.
What is going on? So we're gonna ignore that. What kind of human are you? Oh, my question is ignored. R. But yeah, but I don't use. Yo, hi. Hi. I have a question. I have a question. Like, hold on, I got a question. What kind of things do you like?
Your butt. Eating your butt.
What? Okay.
Hey, guys, let me talk to
That's cool. Hold on, I'm gonna go find some other people to annoy because I am bored. Show off me. Come on. I can't tell what kind of breed that is. God, they're high.
I don't know what to say.
Which is which?
Do whatever you think would make me laugh. I don't know.
Opal como style.
I don't speak anything but English.
Okay, bro, I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna sing.
Espanol.
You're gonna
Don't.
I'm gonna sing, guys. I'm gonna sing.
No.
guys.
I'm gonna sing, guys.
Please.
Sing, damn it.
No. Don't sing. No.
You a tea kettle?
Oh my
Why is there a
god.
tea kettle singing?
Sigma, go on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm done. You guys like my singing?
You sounded
No.
like a tea kettle.
Excuse me?
Sigma, do you have a joke or no?
Wow.
I have no clue.
What? I feel offended. I'm
Can
insulted.
you
I'm
get
insulted.
moving then?
I'm sorry.
There's other people waiting in the line.
My bad.
You're good. Don't worry.
Wait. I got you.
I don't have a joke, but
I have a joke.
I'm a joke.
If
I'm
you
a
don't
joke.
have a joke, can you go though?
it's literally my twin.
I have a joke.
Literally my twin for K.
I might get banned, but I have a joke.
My
right?
twin for
So I'm
K,
gonna
bro.
say it fast. I'm gonna say it fast. What do you call an Indian in a bath? A bath bomb.
Yeah, get moving.
I can't tell if that was my twin's right there. I have a twin right there.
Yeah, I'm a twin.
Yeah, I
I'm a
see
femboy.
that.
Yo, I'm gonna do an emo. Right now.
Do an emo.
Bet, hold on.
Wait, you can't even do an emo. You're an R6. Oh, never mind.
Oh wow. Is
I
that
thought
a
you were
seal?
R6.
That's your emo.
Wait, y'all, wait. You can mimic other people's emotes.
Yeah.
What?
If
Can
you
you
clone
guys,
them,
if you guys don't have jokes, can you please go?
what do you call? Okay,
Your hair
what's the difference-
kind of blue.
Bro, okay.
It's
what's
kinda
the
blue in
difference
here.
Of Batman, I'm gonna get Mike banned. I know this. What's the difference of What's the difference of Batman and a black man? Batman can go out at night without Robin.
Yeah, I get going.
I don't want to be Mike.
Oh no.
You can't make me laugh. Then why are you here? Okay, how?
Come here, twin. Come here, twin.
Why? Why?
Come.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming! What? Bro, there's an atomic bomb! There's a bomb
We're
over
gonna
here.
go to McDonald's.
McDonald's!
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. Why do I gotta have no legs? There's someone that has no legs.
Really?
Over there.
Oh. It's McDonald's. Oh.
It doesn't have the McDonald's sign though.
It's McDonald's though. What do you want? What do you want?
2,763 chicken nuggets.
Queso Junior? Is that you?
What?
Oh my god, you already graduated? Okay.
I want 2,763 chicken nuggets.
Huh? What? Huh?
2,763 chicken nuggets.
Before, oh wait, hold on. What? You're queso. No. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm going to the donut store.
The dollar store. Dollar store is crazy. Alright.
Tell me what to do.
I said the donut store.
I thought you said the dollar store.
Oh.
He's totally cool. Where is he?
There's a lot of things going on right here. So lot that you and I couldn't hear. My train went the wrong way. Oh my god. Gumalala, 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 besta.
Hey, that's how it goes.
Oh my god, hold up. Hold up. Mm.
Oh my god, it's my twin. Oh my god, oh my god.
Cannon twins, for real, for real.
Oh my god, my friend joined me. Come here, come here.
Alright.
Come here. My friend joined me. Look,
Alright.
she's over here. Hold on, I have to chat. Is my friend here? Oh, there she is. Yeah, I found her. Come here.
Your friend's a female?
No,
Male?
the broke one. No, yeah, no, not Laura. Not Laura, not Laura. What's up, not Laura? This is my twin. This is my
We're
friend.
definitely twins, just again.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, hi, Erin.
Are you twinning?
No,
Yeah, we
we're
are.
big
We
bets.
are.
Oh, yeah,
we are.
twinning.
We're definitely twinning, trust me.
Look, I'm gonna do an emote on her.
Alright.
I'm gonna use an emote.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's how I think.
Okay, this is the worst emote.
Why are you double jumping?
I'm okay.
So
Can
there-
you double jump?
No, I don't even know.
No, because I'm playing on PC. So I just click the spacebar 2 times.
No.
Me.
Are you flying?
Maybe.
Did you know I can fly like this? I'm gonna fly.
My twin's going to have it! Oh, never mind. Me.
What are you doing?
I play Roblox.
Who said that?
Me, I said that.
I like your avatar.
I cracked at the game. Let me add you.
Is it the bacon that likes?
Thank you.
Are you the person that likes rivals?
I swear to God, I saw that face from somewhere.
Who likes rivals?
Which rivals are we talking about? What's going on? Twit! Wait, where's my twin at? Oh my God, lost my twin. Oh. Okay. Yep. Twit, what are you doing?
I'm emoting. I'm using an emote.
Buddy, come over here, come over. Follow me! They're
I know
fighting.
your age.
There's two people fighting.
15.
They're fighting. They're fighting.
You're fighting, they're fighting, guys. Ladies, ladies.
Yo. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Harmonica.
Barbecue sauce.
There, you have to go up on the mic. You have to go up on the mic and show everybody your talent. Everybody sit down. Everybody sit down. Everybody sit down. Sit down, guys.
Hey guys!
Sit down. I'm so sick of it.
Skippity.
Yeah. It's my favorite song.
Ah! Ah! Screaming into people's ears. Part 1. We are going to my twin.
I actually might be
I am
bored.
Ah!
Yeah, you're a pretty girl.
Ah!
Come here.
Minors.
Minor too, because you're 15.
Minors.
You're a minor, right? Like you're 15.
More minors.
Minors.
I'm gonna post it.
What part this avatar?
It's my turn.
Oh yeah, this avatar.
Reggie? No. Oh my God, are you a fanboy?
Screaming into people's ears, part 1. Ah! Ah! Ah!
It's so loud.
Ah!
I'm screaming.
Ah!
I keep messing up, bro.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Can't show you anything.
Wait, hold on. I can do this. Ah!
What is this? Go talking about what is it?
My throat. Here. My throat hurts now. Whee! Yo.
That's not a hacker. That's not a hacker. It is.
I'm not a hacker. I'm just a YouTuber.
Oh. Yeah, you want to see a hacker? Wait, no, go back. Do you I'm actually a YouTuber. Actually, I am. You want to see a hacker?
I'm actually a YouTuber.
I'm actually a You're a YouTuber? No, actually, I'm a YouTuber. What's the name of your YouTube?
The same thing as my username.
Okay. I got like 4,000 something subscribers. What? Mine is CIAKA. What? Like I got like I used to dance like this when I was like a teenager. You're grown, bro. Wait, no, stop. You used to dance. I meant as a kid. Yeah.
Lucio, come back. Lucio.
Ah! Oh my God, I'm down, Joe. Ah!
I don't know what you could do when you probably thought was like 8 years old or something.